Daki hajar ngot kipat ba ha khat santarik nailar araja ar paulai kilami renti ban sakhi ke Jingrakhe Sngi Laitluid bahanyo phonyo jongkari India balapenlong hamadan NSCA paham sim hari Bhoi district hakati ke Jingrakhe Sngi Laitluid uba akar menshela menteri katanat revenue and disaster management ulawan ban shimenta kum ukongsan ban kentio ye kalama lairong kari bat shimru ye kasaliut bala sakhiru dakajing dan lang uba Meral Bonds im MLA kanongpo uba Charles Marngar MLA Mawhati uba Daman Bait Lamare MLA Umroy uba Balajit Rani MDC Nongpo u Arpit Upadya Deputy Commissioner Kari Bhoi u Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police bat kiwe ki he officer naka district kumba laipo artali ken hun kilawan ban shimenta haka march pass bakantup nadu ki pulit ki school bapher nalor ki NCC Bharat Scout and Guide ban penpu e Jingrakhe Sngi Laitluid kari nakaliang ki khana school na ki school bapher Kari Bhoi kilawan ru ban shimenta ha ke jingshat bat wai tan rai ringkat ke jingrwai idri nakaliang ki bod district kila samru iki khusnam shikinong job ha ke jinga kop bapher ha ke sngi.
Receiving our chief guest this morning is the Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, Shri Arpit Upadya IAS, accompanied by the Superintendent of Police, Bhoi District, Shri Giri Prasad IPS. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing for hoisting of the national flag, to be followed by the singing of the national anthem, to be led by the students of Bhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Shri Ishan Gupta hails from New Delhi and is a graduate in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Delhi. Currently he is holding the charge of Assistant Superintendent of Police, Bhoi District, Meghalaya, as well as Officer in Charge and Meghalaya Home Guard. The first contingent is led by Havildar Kirshan Ling Dura of the District Training Center Home Guards, Bhoi District, Mawphor. And the second contingent is led by Lace Nayak Shwaki Suchan of the District Training Center Home Guards, Bhoi District.
Man of Larikante Nongrum. Approaching the saluting dais is the boys contingent of RBP Higher Secondary School led by Malakidlang Markap.
Moving on to the female category, the third place goes to Julina Bongro. A round of applause, please. And the winner. The second place goes to Sundaris Mantri, chest number 33. Second place goes to Secondary School, Nongkra.
This year finds us at a unique juncture of history. As India assumed the G20 presidency, our country is poised to provide leadership to the community of G20 nations. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for us to forge new partnerships in the field of development, sustainability, and climate resilience. The overall law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful. To obtain the police force, a total of 1,010 police personnel have been recently appointed. The government has approved the creation of 7 border outposts in the Assam border to strengthen policing in the border areas. The government has also recently approved the creation of the Directorate of Forensic Science to strengthen the forensic capability in the state, which will improve prosecution and conviction of criminal cases. We are also in the process of improving the police infrastructure, including the creation of police housing in the district. The peace talks between the HNLC, Government of India and the state government is making steady progress. The formal talks have already started, and the state government is hopeful that engagement with the HNLC will soon fructify into a resolution bringing lasting peace across the state.